Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Vanguard brokerage account, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit Vanguard's official website. Locate the Open an Account button on the home page. Click on the button to start the account setup process. Choose the type of account you want to open. Options may include an individual brokerage account, joint account, or retirement account. Select your preferred account type and click Continue. Fill in your personal information as prompted. Provide your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Enter your employment information and financial details. Review your information carefully for accuracy. Next, set up your account funding method. You can link a bank account for easy transfers or choose to send a check. Follow the instructions to complete the funding setup. Create your account login details. Choose a secure username and password. Set up your security questions for added protection. Review all account disclosures and agreements. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. Make sure you understand the fees and investment options offered. Once you've reviewed everything, confirm your agreement. Submit your application to Vanguard. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting. Afterward, you may need to verify your identity. Follow the email instructions for identity verification if prompted. Once verified, log into your new Vanguard account. Navigate through the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the platform. Begin exploring investment options based on your financial goals. Consider setting up automatic investments for convenience. Congratulations, your Vanguard brokerage account is now set up. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.